Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So before that I just want to say something, so actually a lot of you guys who are following me, they know by right now this is not my usual setup because I'm actually in my native place now, so I don't have much to work with here, so please bear with me on this. And okay, let's talk about this particular thing. So inside this we have the S24 Ultra titanium gray 1 TB edition, and I just got it delivered like 2-3 hours back by Samsung, and I just got it out of that cover they normally give. So this is the inside packaging which we get, and I just ripped it open because I just wanted to check if it is actually the phone or something else. So yeah, but rest of the thing is I'm yet to unbox, so I just want to do it for you guys, so I just got it. So first we are going to unbox the phone, and next I'm just going to show you the case and tempered glass which I bought. So okay, let's go ahead and do it. So here it is, it says Samsung here. I don't remember when I bought the S22 Ultra how it came. Even I need to see that video which I did that time. So that was like when I started that this YouTube channel, and back then also I really didn't have much to work with. Okay, let's put this aside. So here is the box. Okay, so it's straightforward, there is nothing else, just plain box in the front, and there is this rip card here. You can just rip it up and you can just look at it. Okay, I think the lighting is enough. Let me see, let me just put one more light and see whether it is good. Just give me 1 second, guys. Okay, so the backlighting is not working well. I mean, see, if I put that light, you can able to see my shadows instead of looking at the product itself. Okay, so this is what we have now, so we need to work with this. Okay, so I'm just going to open this right away. Okay, I want to tell you something, guys. I initially ordered the special edition, the titanium blue 1 TB, but unfortunately when the delivery came, the exchange product which I had, the back panel actually it actually got off from the phone. So these guys from Cashify, I guess, they told they are not going to take that, so they returned that phone, but still that refund is pending and return is pending. So I just went ahead and ordered this titanium gray because this is the only one which I'm having in 1 TB. So rest everything is out of stock. So if you are able to get the titanium blue one, just let me know how the color looks in your hand. So we are just going to, okay, there is one more seal here. Just keeping it this side. Okay. So here it is. Here is the phone itself. Okay. So it looks really nice. Oh my god, the touch is really nice. Okay, when the light hits, it feels a bit yellow, like a glossy yellow. I hope you guys can see that, because I'm just putting it directly under the tube light here. Okay, let's take it out. So one more thing, guys, currently I'm not going to rip this out because I want to put a tempered glass before I start using it. So I'm not going to remove this this screen protector as of now, because I want to keep it safe, to be very honest with you guys. So currently don't expect that from me, but I will do a full review. Here are the cameras. Let me just try to focus here. Okay, so there is no there is not enough light here, so that's a problem. Okay, The main reason I actually went for a S24 Ultra is, it has flat display now. So the S22 Ultra, which I'm using now, which I'm using to record right now, so it has actually curved edges, which I really don't prefer. But unfortunately, I didn't have any other option when I bought it, so I went ahead with S22 Ultra. But to be very honest with you guys, S22 Ultra is really an amazing phone. So there are little hiccups here and there, while we are browsing Reddit or Twitter sometimes, but they improved a lot with updates. So in this one is also I'm using a 1 TB edition. See a lot of dust, not sure why it is. This looks really great in hand, but there is a lot of dust around the phone, not sure why. Okay, everything is actually squared off, and it is not like something is curved or something. Not sure why. What is this? Okay, so this back here is it's actually Corning Gorilla Glass, but it is fully matte finish, so you don't get any fingerprints now, which is really good. And the front display actually is anti-reflective, so anyway I'm going to put a tempered glass on top of that, so I really don't care about that, because I prefer safety over having a anti-reflective glass, so I don't mind about that. Okay, so what else? Okay guys, so let's move on to the next thing which I bought, which is the case for this one. So this is the ESR kickstand case which I bought. So I bought this for 1280 I guess from Amazon. So see, initially when I thought of this case, when I actually bought the S22 Ultra back then, like 2 years back, so I was rooting for this case, but so due to the curved edges, I didn't buy this one. So let me just put this aside. Okay, here it is. So this one is the clear case, and there is one more version which is the black one as well. Okay, let's put it back. Okay, so this one is having some cool stuff. It has some raised lips for camera protection, and so they say it is actually a little bit raised here as well. I'm just going to put it on the phone and I'll show you guys. Okay, so this one has a stand here, inbuilt stand, so you can just open this one and you can just keep it like this. And this one feels really sturdy. I just want to put the phone in and just need to check whether it's actually really that good, like the one which I'm using for S22 Ultra. The S22 Ultra one is the sub case, which is literally a very heavy but it's very what you can say, it's a sturdy case. You can throw the phone and the phone won't break. And one of the satisfying thing with this one was, this particular one is, just once you put the stand in, it actually clicks in, so it won't come out. So the quality is really nice, but one thing I'm really worried about this, because this back part is acrylic, but this part is this is the basic silicone, so this will yellow over time, so which I personally don't like. But okay, anyway, at some point they will release more cases and then we are going to take it ahead. Okay, let's put this aside for a minute and I will show you the tempered which I bought. So this is a tempered case which I bought. This is by Spigen, and this is the Glass Tier Easy Fit. So it has two pieces inside. I think I bought this for 2000 rupees. So let me just, it is really hard to pull out. Okay, here it is. So there is nothing inside apart from this. It is showing that 9 hardness, oleophobic coating, blah blah blah, that's it. Okay, so this one has all the necessary things like microfiber and all these things. So I'm not going to put tempered glass on screen. I'm just going to do it off screen because it is really hard to keep the phone here and do it here. It is not that easy. So you get this what you can say, filer, okay, whatever it is. So this is the back side and this is the front side. Just need to press like this, and that's what it said in the video. I need to see, this one doesn't have the camera cutout, that's the only thing, but right now I don't have much of an option, so I just went ahead with this one. But maybe in future, once there are a lot of tempered glass comes on, and I'll just switch it. They do have the instruction clear, like this one is the top part, so it just goes over like this on the phone. So we have the slip here. This one says how you need to install it. It looks pretty straightforward and simple, but I will try that and update you during my review of the phone. So okay then. I'm really sorry guys, I forgot to show you one more thing, which is what's inside the box. So I was a bit excited to see the phone, and I've been waiting for so long, so I forgot this totally. So here it is. So inside this, I think yeah, we have a booklet as usual. What is this? Regional log guide, Indian. This product should be activated with a SIM card issued from okay. Finance must be first made with the SIM card from Indian operators, and SIM card issued from other region is used for activation. The phone may not work. In this case, the device will need to be taken to the nearest Samsung service center. So this is regional locked, and not sure why Samsung is doing this. So I wish we just had the international version. So we have the USB's Type C to C, the cable here, and yeah. So here is the pin. The ejector. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's pretty much it. Nothing much. Okay, so with this, I'm just closing this video. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day. Goodbye.